Top 7 best corded upright vacuum cleaners with high rating and maximum customer reviews. Before this, if you are first in this channel, please subscribe, and if you already subscribed, then thank you very much. So let's start. Number 1. Shark Navigator Professional Upright Corded Bagless Vacuum. Rating is 4.4 out of 5 stars with 1454 customer reviews and 272 answered questions. Just press a button to lift the canister away and easily clean hard to reach areas. 2-in-1 vacuum, upright and lift away for portable cleaning. Anti-allergen complete seal technology plus a HEPA filter. Traps 99.9% of dust and allergen inside the vacuum. Swivel steering for accurate maneuverability. Excellent control for maneuvering around furniture. Extra large capacity, easy to empty dust cup. Extended cleaning without interruption. Included are the hard floor hero, pet power brush, dusting brush and 8 crevice tool. And the second one is from Hoover WindTunnel 3-bed bagless corded vacuum. The color is red and the rating is 3.5 out of 5 star with 1400 customer reviews. We all want the very best for our families, and getting the very best clean is no different. Hoover TTI Floor Care delivers that and more with our best cleaning upright. WindTunnel 3 high performance pet now with quick pass technology. The Hoover WindTunnel 3 high performance pet vacuum is designed to tackle and busy household with kids and pets. With specially designed pet tools and powerful WindTunnel 3 technology, this vacuum removes stubborn pet hair on carpet and hard floors while tackling dirt and debris in every corner and crevice. The 40-feet power cord gives you the freedom to vacuum any larger room without replugging. And when you are done vacuuming, simply empty the debris with the convenient bottom release dirt cup. Okay, let's go to number 3. Shark Navigator Deluxe Upright Corded Bagless Vacuum. Rating is 4.3 with 279 customer reviews. Shark Navigator Deluxe Upright Corded Bagless Vacuum for carpet and hard floor with anti-allergy seal. Powerful and lightweight, also portable and versatile at only 15 pounds. Never loses suction. Power cleaning from start to finish. Large capacity, easy to empty dust cup. Extended cleaning without interruption. Brush tool shut off. Deep carpet and a gentle bare floor cleaning. Dusting brush and crevice tool included. Accessories for versatile cleaning. Number 4. Hoover T-Series WindTunnel Rewind Plus Bagless Corded Upright Vacuum Cleaner. As we can see the rating is 3.8 out of 5 stars with more than 10,000 customer reviews and more than 700 answered questions. For the best all-around value, look no further than the Hoover T-Series Upright Corded Vacuum Cleaner. With Hoover's patent WindTunnel technology, it lifts and removes surface debris and deep down embedded dirt to give your floors the ultimate clean. At less than 70 pounds, it is easy to move up and down stairs and The onboard attachment allow for above floor cleaning like furniture and curtains. Lightweight and easy to carry up and down stairs. 5-position carpet height adjustment. You can choose height for thick carpet and low for hardwood floors, or turtle to adjust the brush roll for maximum performance. WindTunnel technology lifts and removes surface debris and deep down embedded dirt. Now number 5. ProForce 1500 XP bagged upright vacuum cleaner. Rating is 3.7 out of 5 stars with more than 100 customer reviews and 36 answered questions. The ProForce 1500 XP bagged upright vacuum cleaner is the perfect tool for commercial cleaning professionals. It's ideal for the hospitality industry, including hotels, motels, resorts, and meeting halls. Among the best upright vacuum cleaners in its class. This high filtration upright is designed to prove exceptional cleaning to improve reach, durability, and indoor air quality. The convenient onboard tools and high-performance dual motor system offer optimal efficiency and maximum effectiveness. The ProForce 1500 XP bagged vacuum has a 3.25 quart capacity and a unique 15 inches wide L-shaped cleaning head to easily move under and around furniture. The powerful 9 to 4 watt and 10 ampere dual motor produces an airflow of 96 cfm and 84 inch static lift. Number 6. Orec Magnesium RS Swivel Steering Bagged Upright Vacuum. This vacuum is coded. The rating is 4.0 out of 5 stars with more than 200 customer reviews and 71 answered questions. Meet Magnesium RS, the newest addition to the quick Orec Magnesium model line. Link the original Magnesium. It's got incredible suction power but more features. At 7.7 pounds, Magnesium RS is the highest full-powered swivel steering upright vacuum cleaner in America. With its new swivel design and furniture-friendly, low-profile chassis, it's an effortless way to maneuver around the obstacle and clean every floor in your home upstairs and downstairs. The wireless 2-speed quick switch in the hand enables you to select the right power levels and move smoothly across all floor types. The large high-performance wheels give Magnesium RS the agility it needs for every surface. And the number 7. Shark DuoClean Powered Lift Away Upright Vacuum Cleaner. As we can see, the rating is 4.3 with more than 900 customer reviews and more than 500 answered questions. Bristle brush roll and powerful suction are relentless against dirt and stuck in debris. Soft brush roll removes stuck on dust for an almost polished finish. No matter what surface you are on, piles of small particles are on no match. No front wall means no snow plowing when confronted with large particles. Captured and trap 99.99% of dust and allergens while preventing them from escaping back into the air. Shark advanced steering technology provides excellent control when maneuvering around furniture and other obstacles